Basically just taking your pulse as South Africa regarding what's happening in that Timothy Omotoso case. So just a reminder of what we've been asking you this morning. Should Judge Makaula recuse himself? Now, we know that he has dismissed that, but what is your take on this matter all the same? Hashtag Morning Live SABC and at Morning Live SABC is where those messages came through. Let's take a look at them.
All right, so this one coming from Lufono saying, no, Omotoso legal team is sensing defeat. That's why all these tactics are emerging. The judge must continue.
Mickey says, is the defense praying that the judge will be a member of Omotoso's church? The judge must continue presiding in this case.
Wow, okay. Imelda, no, the defense attorney is just a spoiled brat, throwing his toys around the courthouse, and the master just ain't having it. The defense attorney can step down from the case as he's the only one seeking the judge's recusal. We are busy and tired. His delayed tactics are annoying. All right.
Lita says the judge absolutely has no reason to recuse himself from the case. The defense lawyer should just quit. This case must be done with, and those three must be thrown in jail. They look guilty without even saying a word.
Wow. Okay. Lindu Musa saying, I don't think he must recuse himself. We must not emotionalize the court and its proceedings. The judge is impartial and the defense lawyer is paid to win the case and will throw whatever in his disposal to do so. But in the end, the judge will have the final say.
Dow says justice and fairness are not based on emotion or sentiment, as we're witnessing so far, but on evidence that is beyond reasonable doubt.
And Tao, no advocate, just out of line. Every time he got reprimanded by the judge, it was justified. Judges are supposed to protect witnesses from improper questioning, which is very apparent in this case.
Anele says, what an excuse for prolonging the trial. In no time, we will hear that this case is postponed until next year. The judge is very competent to lead this case, and I strongly suggest that he should sit as a judge to complete this trial.
And finally, Tao again. Saying, Another Tao, yeah, says there's no judge who will recuse himself. South Africa is not the home crime where criminals can choose as they wish, who must judge their wrongdoings. The whole continent is watching and listening how freedom works in RSA.
And Nomsi, you get to have the final word. NPA, you are the one that is creating this problem by not intervening when the defense lawyer is out of order. And this is going to create chaos if the judge is removed based on encouraging a student and a victim to concentrate on her exams.
Wow. So can I ask you for a very quick analogy? What did our experts say? So does he feel that there's room to get rid of the judge, or absolutely no grounds?
No, really, he did, in his personal opinion, as you know, he did say, it is his view that there isn't really sufficient merit in terms of what the defense is basing their petition to have the judge recuse himself. So
okay. Well, there you go.
He doesn't feel that there is.
There is room. Well, there you go. That was the legal opinion. We did have an interview, if you missed it, in the previous hour. So your opinions do count as well. So, and that's the legal one and the personal perspective.
Well, if you ever doubted that, you had to listen to Advocate Doberman yesterday. Seemingly, he's been watching and listening to all the things that people are saying.
You're right. Yeah.
I was quite surprised by that, I must say, because I always thought, and don't ask me why I thought this, but I've always thought that especially judges and even lawyers would not be so hung up on what's going on in the public domain, because they would be focused on the legal aspects of these cases. So I was really surprised.
It's quite interesting, because I mean, one takes your mind back to something like the Oscar Pistorius trial, where the public opinion and the amount of publicity that was around that, and it trended every single day, all over the world, and everyone had something to say about something. And the idea to sort of block yourself off from the public opinion is what one would expect. But this was a different story altogether.
I guess they're all human, just like the rest of us.
Absolutely they are. All right, so let us take a